Hey guys, welcome. We're here at DNA. And today we're going to be installing the new Just stuff. So I just got the new Just Super Angle Kit. Very stoked, very cool. Went full knuckle design. A lot of big engineering parts went into this. Like just this little bolt here. Take this out. A lot of people will probably be wondering, why didn't you go with a dual shear here? And this is the reason why. This little sleeve here, tapered nut, will take the axial load and the radial load. Yeah, I believe that's what it is. Let's just say I'm not the most engineer around here. I let the work to actual people who went to engineering school. I CNC and build my own shit, but a lot of engineering went into that sleeve, went into these little washers, went into how this kit's designed. A lot of cool features like this quick adjuster. So you just undo the jam nut and you turn this, it brings it in, unloosen it, brings it out, tighten back the jam nut, boom, you're done with the caster adjustment. These top plates, little square cut out here, you literally stick a ratchet on there, whoop, change your caster adjustment. It's kind of stiff still, but yeah, just like that. Change your caster on the fly. And what's really cool is came up with this little design here. You have an actual plate with the studs welded on the back, so you can actually tighten them without having to put a wrench or anything underneath. Arms in the back. I believe these are the tension arms, camber arms, or front traction arms, either camber arm. These are toe arms. We got the Just hood vent, and we got some Just toe plates because I'm not aligning my car with not Just toe plates. This is a really cool thing here. This is the Just outer tie rod. So basically, chromoly, it's a 1/2 inch ID. So you just tap the M14 and it's a 120 wall chromoly, spherical bearing. That's serviceable, you can change them. And I've been told that you cannot bend these. And if you bend this, you went pretty damn hard into the wall. Because the way this has been engineered and the forces, you'll bend the inner tie rod, the M14 inner tie rod, before you bend the outer tie rod, which is, so these should be good lifetime. Change the sphericals if ever they get loose. And that's some really cool engineering in there. And you can get everything at justengineering.com. We'll have some hyperlinks, don't worry. You want to change your acronym, you literally pop this out, pop the other one out, flip them, and you literally just changed how your car handles in like a second. Ooh. So you'll have, so normally like your arms, the way the acronym, so a stock, if you chop a knuckle, you'll have this without less angle and this one with more angle, but you can change how that drives. So you normally want like parallel or just, I like it like stock style because I like having this wheel to slow me down. But you can literally have this wheel more angle than this one, and this will make you crab walk. All right, so this is the Just toe arm. And as you can see, we have the whole rear end taken apart, and we just put in our brand new BC. These are the BR series coilovers. In the front, we're running the DS series coilover to have digressive. A couple orientations you can put this. I find the easiest to have the adjustment at the inside of the car. And the reason why is because the wheel's here. So instead of trying to adjust it at the wheel, you have full access here. You want to install it on the knuckle first and then bring it up to the pocket here. And the way I installed it too is I made sure the Just is the logo, the Just sticker is pointing backwards. So when people are looking underneath the car, you can see all the Just. Now we installed the other side first just to make sure everything fit and to know exactly how to do it. So you can exactly see what I did is all the Just logos are pointing backwards. You see the under one here, top one, and the other top one, all the Just logos are facing backwards. To me, that's super important. You have the BC Racing showing backwards. So if I put a GoPro or the DJI action camera back here, you can see everything moving with all the logos to show all the sponsors. Just what he's done is these arms. As you can see it's nice and flat, because some of these have a recessed like a ball kind of deal. Kind of see that in there. Anyway, so a ball, this one is actually flat here, so you need it flat. So I'll show you when we get a ball surface, but we're going to start off by installing the toe arm. And the best way to do it, which I don't have any stock ones, normally you would stick both bolts through here, through the stock one. So you start off with basically stock alignment. So bring up your toe arm, stick it in, and there you go. Toe arm is installed. And what I like to do, is since we're all dirty hands, clean that nice and clean. So this is the Just traction arm. This is what it is, stock. A nice little sheet metal folded over. It's actually very, very weak, and they crumple up pretty easily. So again, very important, Just logo backwards. And since we have the Tech 53 mono balls, everything's super adjustable. What side did I put the bolt on the other side? I like to be symmetrical, right? So everything is
But always put the bolt.
Yeah, the bolt and the nut on the same side. There you go. Oh, we got some BMWs starting up on in the background there. Audi. Excellent. Traction arm, Just logo, going backwards. Don't forget, once they're installed, take a little towel there or wipe off the grease, because you know you're a mechanic, you have a lot of grease on your hands. And what's cool with the Tech 53 mono balls, you can see it moving. There's actually 100% like spherical motion there, and there's spherical motion from a stock bushing. The more forward one kind of acts as a toe arm, but also a camber arm with the rear toe arm. It's kind of like you need to adjust all, what is that, 4 arms at the same time to get the proper alignment. Now remember before I was telling you about these cone shape, so you got to put the cone shape on the knuckle, and as always, put the bolt through first and start threading it by hand. Alright, so this is the last arm. As you can see, I'm going to call this the camber arm because it's the upper one that mostly does just camber. Cone shape. Start threading it by hand. Right. Get the bolt from the back side. And start tightening the arms. Beep, 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 beep. And that is how you install all the rear Just arms on your BMW E9X, E92, E90, E82X. This is a 1 Series E82. Get your kit today.